Hello, now you can see this is the Diamond House students on this today's Saturday special activities. The science projects they are creating the some small task on the basis of science project. You can see the live. Okay, Vikrams from class 7.
Yes,
Yes, what is this?
it is a Newton disc. It's rotates in high speed. It shows seven. It has seven colors.
Yeah.
It shows only one white color.
Okay, that means when it is rotate, it is works on the electricity.
Yes.
Okay, when it is rotations, then it shows only one color.
Yes, sir.
The rest of the seven colors becomes hide. Okay, good. And what is this? Can you anybody elaborate? What is this?
When we open,
Yes, who will explain it? How does it work basically?
sir, basically this we open sir this cap, then it will come water.
Yes, it is works on the water pressure.
Yes. Water pressure.
Okay, when you will opens it,
Then it will. Then the water will come from.
yes, comes, and when you it close it,
It will.
okay, it works like our yes, they are entering some waters to show these projects live. How does it work? You can see. Yes, when it will close the cap,
Then water will not. Water will stop.
water will be stops coming out, and when it opens it closely, open it closely, then waters come out. That means it works on the water pressure. How does the water pressure works? You can see the live it
Water
from the
pressure
science
activity.
projects. Exactly. So next there is another project is also. So we want to know about it. What is this?
It is a pulley. It is a simple machine. It is used to take out the water from well.
Oh yes, you have seen the villagers. There is a well outside the areas field. So how does the villagers
It is used
are
in
taking the
agriculture
water
like
from the well? The same project is years lives. You can see. So it is like a pot is here, and it is the springing systems. When we press it, it will be waters come out from the well. The very nice projects, wonderful.
it is a natural system.
It is a natural systems, yes. The students basically so they are showing to it how we can show the best to best. So wonderful, nice performance. So
Environment plan. It is.
Every house plant we should give environment.
yes, Dasrath, you want to say something?
Yes.
Yes.
Amritpal.
Amritpal.
So everywhere we should make environment. Everywhere we should grow plants.
Yes.
Like in this house we grow many plants.
Yes.
Every people should follow the plant environment.
Yes, you can
Many
see
of the
that.
people should follow the environment like that. Example, we did this.
Yes, this is the good home pictures you can see, and how's the green plants surrounding its homes. It is looking very beautiful scenario landscapes.
Because of this, our population also grow.
Yes,
Increase.
I think there is something behind it in this home. There is a ghost, I think.
No, that's not.
Yes, very good.
Okay,
So
these are our model. Thank you for seeing. Have a nice day.
yes, thank you so much.